Hi guys, hope you all are doing great. So in this video, I'm gonna tell you a brand which is an Ayurvedic brand. It is a personal care brand made by Ayurvedic Granth, and this is the Neem Ayu. This is the Neem Ayu Effective Ayurveda Kit, which is good for your hair. So this kit is a Neem Ayu anti-dandruff kit, and it consists of Neem Ayu anti-dandruff oil, as well as Neem Ayu anti-dandruff shampoo and Neem Ayu anti-dandruff supplements. And it is 100% reduction in dandruff within 21 days of use. So it claims that it reduces 100% dandruff within 21 days. So let me tell you all about Neem Ayu now and all the products and as well as their details. And if you want to buy this product as well as other products and this kit, this customized kit for your hairs, to mention the website link in the description box down below. Go check it out. Also, there is this discount coupon that I'm mentioning here. You can use this discount coupon and avail discount on any of the products and the kit that you buy. So I'm mentioning the code here also as well as in the description box down below. So go check it out. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure to subscribe to it. So let's get started and I'll show you all the products from this box. Firstly, I have to tell you the packaging. You can see it's so amazing. Love the packaging, and it is effective Ayurveda. So these products are all Ayurvedic products, so very good for your hairs, and it will give you the ultimate treatment to cure hair care problems, all the problems like dandruff, itchy scalp and everything, and give you that perfect smooth shiny hairs all day long. So range of Neem Ayu box, and it's formulated by leading Ayurvedic experts. It is based on authentic Ayurvedic texts. It is made with the choicest herbal extract and manufactured in WHO GMP certified facility. And other than that, it is made with natural ingredients and it is clinically proven, so no harm to your scalp products. The complete kit for your perfect hair treatment to remove the dandruff and make your hairs and scalp smooth. Make the Neem Ayu Effective Ayurvedic Anti-Hair Fall Capsule. This is all natural, so no harm to your scalp. And the composition are extract of amalaki, ashwagandha, bhingraj, and I'll tell you how to have it. So it's written ingredients for healthy hair. You have to take 1 to 2 capsules twice a day with water or as directed by physician, and store at room temperature away from direct sunlight. So these are the Ayurvedic capsules, very good for your hairs. Ayurvedic anti-hair fall oil, free from mineral oil and artificial colors. So this is the packaging, very cute packaging. So let me show you the texture of this oil. The texture, it's very smooth, very light, not at all heavy, and it smells amazing. All the Ayurvedic ingredients, you can actually feel the smell of it. So you have to apply it all over your scalp, gently massage it. The third product and the very last product in this kit is this shampoo, which is Neem Ayu Anti-Hair Fall Shampoo, and it's written to deep cleanse scalp and hair, make scalp healthy and make scalp and hair healthy. Use it, wash your hair with desired quantity of shampoo twice in a week. Do not apply conditioner. So you don't have to apply conditioner after you use this shampoo. The packaging, and this is how is the consistency of this shampoo. Very creamy texture. I have to say, the perfume, the aroma is just so amazing. See, so you have to use it twice a week, and after using this shampoo, don't use conditioner as mentioned. So these are the Ayurvedic products from Neem Ayu, and if you want to buy these as well as other kits as per your hair concerns, you can go check out their website, use my code and get amazing discount when you buy these as well as other products from their website. So if you guys like this video, make sure to share it with your friends and family. Let them also know about these products. These are Ayurvedic products, so not at all harmful to your scalp, to your hairs, and it will give you the amazing result. So go buy it now. Thank you. Bye bye.